Hello and welcome to Hastings Motorcycle Centre. We are thrilled to offer this stunning and desirable Aprilia SX 125. Registered the 5th of August 2021 on a 21 plate, with just 287 miles, and presented in Silver Speedway. The Aprilia SX is simply one of the most effective 125s on the road. Swift and light, it offers benchmark performance for the entire category, thanks also to its new engine. Aprilia have introduced a new Bosch ABS system, sophisticated digital instruments, and adopt 17-inch spoked wheels with wide channel and sport tires to offer maximum grip in all conditions. These learner-legal supermotos are super desirable, and this won't be here for long. This bike would leave us serviced where required with a full PDI inspection, 12 months MOT, and 3 months warranty. The option to extend to a 12 or 24-month warranty is also available. We can deliver this bike to anywhere in the UK. We also offer a wide range of finance. Please note we have a small £75 admin fee on all of our bikes. Part exchanges are welcome. For more information, please contact us on 01 424 44 44 48 or email sales@hastingsmotorcyclecentre.co.uk. Thank you for watching, and we look forward to hearing from you soon.